So let us say it again. Wearing a mask can save a life during this pandemic, but some Americans refuse to wear them. This video shows one man's rage in a Florida Costco after an elderly woman asked him to wear a mask. Similar scenes have played out across the country. In Texas, where cases are skyrocketing, a growing number of sheriff's departments are refusing to enforce mandatory mask orders. Janet Shamlian reports from San Antonio.
People just wanted a hug, and I told them, look, you're adults, you make your own choices.
But now, Pastor Ron Arbaugh is full of regret after allowing members to embrace when his church, Calvary Chapel in Universal City, Texas, reopened in May. More than 50 people who were there have coronavirus, including Arbaugh's wife and the pastor himself.
I wish I could go back and make a different decision now, but unfortunately, I can't do that.
Arbaugh says only about half his congregants were wearing masks. It was well before Governor Greg Abbott's mandate to wear them. That order now allows authorities to fine repeat offenders as much as $250 for not wearing a face covering in public spaces indoors or outdoors where social distancing isn't possible. Violators can't be jailed or detained, and police in several counties have said they will not enforce the ruling.
We're asking for self-compliance from our citizens.
Nacogdoches Sheriff Jason Bridges says he doesn't want to write citations, but deputies will remind people of the order.
We believe in science. We're not anti-mask. Our jail staff has been wearing masks back in the jail since this thing has started. We have seen the prevention of what it's helped keep the coronavirus out of the Nacogdoches County Jail, so we know that it works.
But masks continue to be a divisive issue. On Tuesday, the Texas Education Agency announced it will require masks for teachers and students older than 10 who attend in-person classes this fall. Some parents are opposed to it, but everyone should get used to it, says the CEO of the Texas Medical Center.
We're the only ones that can stop it. So really, masking is not a week deal or a couple of months. We're going to be wearing masks for a very long period of time.
Some of the sheriffs refusing to enforce the mask order say they simply don't have the resources to do so. Here along the Riverwalk in San Antonio, there was a mask order in effect well before the governor's order when social distancing is not possible, rather. And if you walk along here, every store, Gail, and business that you go into has a sign on the door stating it clearly: no mask, no service. Gail?
Yeah, it's like no shoes, no service. We get it, no shirt. It's such a small thing. Thank you very much, Janet. Good to see you, too.